Hello and welcome to the library. During this tutorial, we will be covering how to use the database Jstor. We use databases to find articles from journals, magazines, and more. Searching databases for scholarly publications is a vital skill to master in order to succeed in college. This tutorial will show you how to use the database Jstor, which stands for Journal Storage Project. One of the important things to remember about Jstor is that all the articles are from scholarly journals. Another important thing to know about Jstor is that it contains articles back to the beginning of the publication of the periodicals it contains, but it does not carry articles published within the last year. Jstor is a multidisciplinary database, meaning it provides electronic access to full-text issues of journal titles in the humanities, social sciences, and sciences. To perform searches in Jstor when you're not on campus, you will need the Galileo password. To get the Galileo password, please view the video titled Galileo Password. When searching from home, you may also notice that Jstor asks for your username and password. Insert your iCollege username and password. Now that you have a little background on Jstor, let's go ahead and try a search. Go to the library homepage, www.gpc.edu/library, and click on Galileo. Click on Databases A through Z. Click on the letter J. Scroll down and click on Jstor. This is the database Jstor. I will show you an advanced search in Jstor. Click on Advanced Search. An advanced search allows you to limit your results to a type, date range, and discipline. For example, I am looking for scholarly articles about religion in William Faulkner's novel As I Lay Dying. When creating a search, we want to take the main ideas of our research question and connect them with and. Since I am interested in the idea of religion in William Faulkner's novel As I Lay Dying, we use the terms religion and Faulkner and As I Lay Dying. Phrases will need to be contained in quotation marks. Enter your search terms in the search box at the top of the page. Scroll down to Narrow By. Under here, select Article. Remember, Jstor is a multidisciplinary database. So since our topic has to do with literature, scroll down under Narrow by Discipline and/or Publication Title and select Language and Literature. The same concept applies if I were doing a search in another discipline. For example, if I am doing a search about the history of the Civil War, I would select the History discipline from the list. Once you have selected your limiters and your discipline and entered your search terms, scroll back up to the top of the page and click Search. You should now see a list of articles. I want to point out some items on this page. Notice the top of the page. Here you can see the number of articles in your search results. Jstor automatically sorts by relevance. To change the way Jstor sorts articles, you may select another option from the drop-down box. Now, let's look at the search results list. Here you will find the title, author name, and publication information of each article. Once you find an article that seems interesting, click on the title, which is underlined and in blue, to pull up more information about the article. We are now presented with some more information about this article. The title of the article and the author's name, and a picture of the front cover of the journal the article comes from, and the article itself is all available on this screen. By scrolling down to the bottom of this screen, we can see the full text of the article. By clicking on these blue arrows, you may go to different pages of the article. It may benefit you to scan the article before you print out the entire article. Also, if you notice, your search terms are highlighted throughout the article. I want to point out some other items on this page. You have the option to look at the pages which contain your search terms by clicking on View List of Pages with Search Terms. Scanning these pages can also help you evaluate the relevance of the article to your research. Notice a box at the top of the page next to the information about the article. Here, you may open the PDF version of the article, view, email, or export the citation. Let's try emailing this citation. Click on Email Citation. You must now type in your email address and the recipient's email address. If you are the recipient, type in your email address twice. Remember, exporting this citation will only email the citation to you, not the entire article. When you email a citation to yourself, you will, however, be also emailed a stable URL, which you can use to access this article at another time. I hope you have enjoyed this introduction to Jstor. Knowledge of how to search in a database and evaluate your results will greatly benefit you in your academic career. For more information about how to use the library, please view the collection of video tutorials. Remember, there are multiple ways to get in touch with librarians. Go to www.gpc.edu/library and click on Ask a Librarian.